Let's see how to make a tangram.
A square cut into 7 pieces is called a tangram. 2 large triangles, 1 medium triangle, 2 small triangles, a square and a parallelogram. Now let's make the tangram puzzle. You can take any size of paper. It's just that we need a square piece. I have taken A4 size paper. First, fold the paper diagonally. Make sure to align the sides. Fold the remaining part at the bottom and cut it. Here is a square piece of paper. This square is divided into 2 equal parts. You can see 2 triangles are formed. Fold it again diagonally from the opposite sides. Make sure all sides and corners are aligned. Here we have got 2 large triangles of the tangram puzzle. Now we divide this half again into half. Take this corner and fold it till the midpoint of the square. Now we have the medium triangle. Now take this corner, fold it into the center of the square. Don't press completely. We just need to mark the midpoint. Now draw the line. Similarly mark the midpoint from the other side. From this point, draw another line, this way forming one parallelogram and a second small triangle. This is the small triangle. This is the second small triangle. This is the square. And the last is the parallelogram. Now darken the lines with the help of a marker. Let's know some interesting facts about tangram. Do you know which country invented the tangram? It's China. The tangram geometry principle have influenced architecture and design. The iconic Bank of China Tower in Hong Kong is famously based on the tangram concept. Your tangram is ready. Now cut all the 7 pieces. In short, the tangram is more than just a children's toy. It's a historical artifact, a mathematical sandbox, and an artistic medium, all contained within 7 simple shapes. You can use different colors for these shapes and use it for a school project to make different shapes. I have used this to trace from foam paper and cut the tangram pieces. I have used different colors for different shapes. Yellow for one large triangle and blue for another large triangle. For small triangles, I have used white and purple. For medium triangle, I have used green color. For parallelogram, I have used an orange color. Here I have taken black color for square but later changed it to red. Now let's try to form a tangram.
Your tangram is ready. In the next video, we will come with a video on how to make different shapes from tangram. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.